Hello everyone, welcome back to the world of English literature. Today I am very happy to introduce another beautiful poem from poetry section. The name of the poem is Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda, a Chilean writer. Let us know a few more words about the poet. Pablo Neruda's real name is Neftali Ricardo Reyes Basalto. He was born on 12th July 1904 in the town of Parral in Chile. His father was a railway employee and his mother, who died shortly after his birth, a teacher. Neruda died just 2 years after receiving his Nobel Prize on September 23rd, 1973 in Santiago, Chile. Though his death was officially attributed to prostate cancer, there have been allegations that the poet was poisoned. Students, this is a short biography about the writer. Now let us have a look at the theme of the chapter or the poem, Keeping Quiet. Children, you are well aware of the different issues of this modern world. The people are tensed, especially the people who are engaged in different types of activities are tensed a lot in this modern world. Here the poet asks everybody to keep quiet for some time and go for an introspection. Introspection means self-examination. Definitely, we are busy doing different types of works. We have no real aim. We are just doing these activities for nothing, yearning or learning or gaining in our life. Really, after all, there is nothing. Therefore, we find the value of this poem, Keeping Quiet. What is the value of the poem? Stop for a while, stop doing all the works and think about your work, about you, and try to find out the mistakes in those works, rectify those, and start a good day with good thinking and good aim. The poet Pablo Neruda urges mankind to cease all activity for a little while. This is what I have been talking about. What do you mean by cease? Cease means stop. Stop doing all the activity for a little while. During these few moments of silence and inactivity, all human beings would be one, united and in harmony with each other and nature. So what is exactly the theme of the poem Keeping Quiet? Very simple. During these few moments of silence or inactivity, all human beings doing different types of activities in different parts of the world with different languages would be one, united and in harmony with each other and in nature. This togetherness and oneness is the most desirable thing that everybody needs in this world for the survival of the earth as well as the human beings. Neruda believes that the soul housed within the human body is capable of performing this feat if given a chance to shine out through introspection, for which absolute silence and stillness is essential. So dear students, what I wanted to tell is the poet is asking everyone to have an introspection. What do you mean by introspection? Self-examination. What is self-examination? Examine yourself. Self-examination is analyzing yourself, looking at your own personality and actions and considering your own motive or motivation. Dear students, this is what the poet is asking all of us. Or in other words, we can simplify the theme. It's basically an anti-war poem. Definitely when people come together and when there is a unity or togetherness, definitely there will not be wars or battles. Here the poet is absolutely against war. That's why this poem is an anti-war poem. The poet is deeply concerned about violence, cruelty to animals and plight of manual workers. Definitely these points are also very relevant here. Human beings are deeply concerned about violence, cruelty to animals and plight of manual workers. Please note these points. What do you understand by violence? Violence can be seen in every activity. When we are doing a work, of course, we are trying to do the best, thinking not about the others. Definitely, different types of controversies will happen between you and the others, or we and the others. Violence is a factor that arises or comes between. Cruelty to animals. We kill animals thinking that we are the masters of this world, thinking that this world is ours, and plight of manual workers. The modern world is the world of mechanism or science, machineries. You know that. Plight means dangerous here, okay? Dangerous or danger of manual workers. Manual workers, you know, the physical workers, the physical works done by human beings. Anyway, the poet offers a very simple solution to many of our social, political and religious problems, or all the problems that are coming across in our work. What is the solution? Is introspection. What type of introspection is asked? Self-introspection, self-examination. If it is acted upon, it will be the first major step towards uniting people. The second step is that everyone should look within and analyze what is wrong and who is the wrongdoer. Definitely, we will be able to understand the works and we can really value the work that we have been doing. This will cleanse every heart and ennoble all people. Ennoble all people is meant for everybody will become honored, or everybody will be honored in this world. Everyone will be having the same thoughts, feelings, emotions in this world. Therefore, the poet is again asking all of us to keep quiet, keep still for some time. Okay? The poem, or in the poem, the poet tries to tell us that we should stop our destructive activities and keep quiet for some time. By keeping quiet, he means that we should look into ourselves and see what our behavior is doing to others. We should analyze ourselves and change accordingly. Definitely, this change is required in all of us, and for this change, we need to keep quiet. We need to keep quiet means not to be quiet all the time. When we are doing work, we just stop for a while and think about the work, especially about the works that we have been doing in the past, and find out the mistakes in those works and rectify and start doing good in the next time or in the future. Definitely, he means that we should look into ourselves and see what our behavior is doing to others, because we are social animals. Dear students, this is the theme and the central idea of the poem Keeping Quiet. Definitely, you will have a top summary or a detailed summary about the poem hereafter. So once again, I would like to speak about this topic in this episode before we start explaining the detailed summary, that this is a beautiful poem with the central idea of keeping silence for a moment and to do nothing. Instead, go for a self-examination or introspect ourselves and understand what we are doing. Definitely, that is what the poet is asking us to do. Or in other words, the poet asks all of us to stop wars, hate, pollution, killing of animals and hurting ourselves, and spare some time to go deep, deep into the soul. Students, I would like to stop this episode hereby. We will go with the detailed summary of the poem in the next part of the explanation or the next video. Till we meet in the next video, I am English teacher signing off. Take care. Have a wonderful day.